Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a mobile bartending business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your mobile bartending business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A mobile bartending business is a versatile and fast-paced option. A mobile bar, unlike a traditional bar, will not have the slow nights of bad business that drive bar owners insane. Because mobile bars are typically hired for large events such as corporate gatherings, weddings, or festivals, owners can be confident that instead of attempting to draw crowds into the bar, they will bring the bar to the crowds. Traditional bars necessitate a significant financial and time investment. Bar owners pay high rent and spend almost all of their time at the bar, tending to the bar, or dealing with the massive amounts of paperwork that come with owning a bar. However, a mobile bar owner has the enviable option of running the mobile bar as a side business. Many mobile bar owners work a typical 9-to-5 job before making extra money on the weekends, just like many student bartenders, actor bartenders, parent bartenders, and so on. The first thing to know about mobile bars is that they are a low-cost option for a new business. Here are a few expenses you should consider. 1. Branding. The most well-known mobile bars are those that have done the best job of branding. Every platform is consistent, from the front of the bar sign to the business cards. A mobile bar can be almost any type of establishment. It is possible to have a tiki bar on wheels. It is also possible to become a luxury cocktail bar. Know what you want your bar to be and the customers will come. However, be aware that some types of branding will be more difficult and costly to execute. 2. The bar. The bar itself is the most important startup cost. And the bar can be whatever you want it to be. Ice cream trucks, RVs, and even pickup trucks can be used. Some mobile bar businesses, on the other hand, prefer a more traditional bar that can be easily disassembled and transported in the back of a vehicle. These mobile bars are simple to set up and take down, providing even more flexibility. 3. Choosing the right decoration. You'll need decor once you've purchased the bar. All of the examples above have been tastefully decorated to create appealing, even photogenic mobile bars. That can be quite costly. You'll need paint, signage, lighting, trim, a backsplash, and possibly some plants for decoration. Take a look at the popular era bars' well-executed wood paneling and vintage guitar amplifiers. Seating is also available at some mobile bars. Consider purchasing an outdoor sofa or dining set so that your guests can relax while sipping your cocktails. You will also need to purchase bar equipment. Depending on the type of bar you want to open, you'll need to purchase mixers, shakers, measuring equipment, bottle toppers, muddlers, and garnish containers. It will also necessitate refrigeration, blenders for your margaritas and mai tais, and piping if you intend to serve beer from kegs. That can add up to a few $1,000s. 4. Licenses and insurance. There are legal issues to consider when starting your own business, as there are with many new businesses. A cocktail bar on wheels is no exception. Most states, including California, Texas, Ohio, and New York, will not issue a liquor license to a mobile bar, which means you will not be able to sell alcohol. States willing to issue licenses can charge thousands of dollars and frequently require liquor sales to take place in a single static location, which means you can't capitalize on the mobile aspect of your mobile bar business. However, there is a workaround: working at private events. Most mobile bars that work at weddings, corporate events, or similar parties will sit down with whoever is in charge of event planning to figure out exactly what is required. They can select 1 or 2 wines, 1 or 2 beers, and 1 or 2 signature drinks. The alcohol is paid for by the event's host, and the rest is handled by the mobile bar service. It may appear to be a minor inconvenience, but not having to apply for and pay for a liquor license relieves the business owner of a significant burden. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a mobile bartending business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.